Hi guys, are you able to hear me? Rakesh, are you able to hear me? Rakesh and Navi. Okay. So yesterday we discussed tooltip, right? Tooltips we discussed and progress bars also we discussed, right? So in the progress bars, again we can start from progress bars. Tooltips we are everything is clear. So just for tooltips, first we have to create a button. So then after that, so it's a toggle option. So that's why we are giving the data-bs-toggle. So it's a tooltip. So that's why we are giving the tooltip. So then, so what we have to show when we hover on that button. So this what type of text you want to show, then you can customize the text, then you can place it inside of data-bs-original title. So then placement. So on which placement you want to show this tooltip, either top, then either bottom, either left, either right. Okay, so then these are the things. This is the top tooltip and bottom tooltip and left tooltip and right tooltip. Okay, so the next one is the progress bars we are discussed. So then here first thing, so in the in the HTML we are having a range element, right? So at the same time, so it is a static thing, it is a static thing, or otherwise if you want to place a dynamic values from database, then we can get the values and we can place like this. So for this, for progress bars, we just give the class progress bar. So then after that, so what is the weight, that means what is that range, that progress bar, how much range we have to show it. Okay, so it's a 10%. So style equal to width 10% and area of volume min 100 and area of volume 0. Okay, so these are the 0 and 100. So then next percentage, so area of volume and width both are same, so it's a 10% and this is a 10%. Okay, so the next one 50%. Okay, so the next one 100%. So if you want to change this background colors, so we can change it. Okay, so for now first one is the plain one, second one is the progress bar hyphen stripped. Stripped means we are getting the this one bars. Okay, so the next one is we applied the background color bg danger. For tooltip, remember for tooltip we have to add the javascript snippet, bootstrap snippet. So without this we cannot see that we cannot see the tooltips. See now, so these are the, now these are the normal buttons only. So compulsory, so it's a mandatory, we have to place this one. So without place this one, so we cannot see. Now you can see. Okay, so the next concept is after progress bar pagination. We have a pagination, then we can discuss this page. So in CSS we already discussed it, right? Pagination, then we can see simple way. So H2 pagination, BS pagination, that means bootstrap pagination. So then, so if you want the pagination, if we want to place a group of links, so first we have to create a nav, right? Nav. So now created. So then after that, so if you want to create a group of links, then we can use the UL and LIs. All right, clear? So then after that, inside of this one, each and everything having a page links. Right. So this is the previous, previous, as usual, previous created. So the next one, this is the next one. Okay, next one. So just I am giving the href equal to hash, and for everything we have to give like this. Okay, so then after that, so we can give the 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 7 2 3 and 4. Okay, so this is normal links, right? When we reload this one, happen not save. When we reload this one, so it will look like this. So then we can give the first, what is this one? So this one for ul class equal to we have to give the pagination. Okay, so then, so by default it's a pagination. So then after that, this, if it is a pagination, so these are the page items. Class equal to page hyphen item. Okay, so for all the LIs we have to give it. If it is a page item, so then what about the age ref? What about the age ref? It's same, class equal to page hyphen link, page hyphen a link. Okay, so once we can reload this one, yes, this way we can. Okay, so this way we can reload it, right? So it is showing, left side. So for suppose if you want to show this one in right side, if you want to show this one right side, justify, if I justify content hyphen end. So if you want to show this one as a right side, so we can give like this. So if you want to show this one as a center, so it's a by default start. It's a left side. It's a justify content center. Now you can see this is the left side. So this is the center one. This is the right side. So this way we can use the bootstrap pagination. Okay, clear? Okay, so the next one is after completion of pagination of canvas. So what is off canvas? So build the hidden sidebars into your application for the navigation or shopping carts, or more with a few classes and JavaScript plugin is required for this. Okay, so where we can add this one? So either in navigation, hidden navigation, or shopping cart like that one. Okay, or shopping cart like that applications, then we can use this off canvases. Or if you want to show the left sidebar or right sidebar, hidden sidebar, when we click on that button, so we can show the right right sidebar, or when we click on the left side button, so then we can show the left sidebar. So that type of sidebars are called the off canvas thing. So basically by default it is hidden. By default it is hidden. So then we can see how the off canvases are looks. Okay, so then first one, so where is this off canvas? So these type of things are called the off canvases. Okay, so these type of things are called the off canvases for anchor tag and anchor tag we can apply the off canvas, and button tag also we can apply the off canvases. So first, suppose if you want to off canvases, if you need off canvases, so first thing we need a anchor tag or button tag. So h2 canvas sidebars bs bs. Okay, now we can see. So we can first we can create the anchor tag. So then class equal to, so btn icon primary. Okay, so this is my button. So then I'm giving the off canvas link sidebar with link. Okay, so we are giving the with link. So the next one, so we have to open one div, right? When we click on that one, so we have to open one div, right? So for that one, so I can create a div class equal to, then I'll give you class. So this is the div. Suppose of canvas example, just a simple text I am giving here. Okay, so the next one, so for this one, I have to give the class call of canvas. So then of canvas hyphen start, of canvas hyphen start. So the next one, chat hyphen index equal to -1. Okay, so then id equal to, we have to give one unique id, because of, for suppose if you are having the multiple of canvases, so then we have to use one unique id for each and every one. So of canvas example. Okay, example. So then area hidden, so then you can give the true. Style equal to, when we execute this one, see this one of canvas, nothing is happening, right? So then nothing is happening. So then by default I am giving the, so I don't need to give anything. So then I have to, when I click on this button, so I have to give that, I have to open that div, right? So we can see where is that one. So what is the present state now? Okay, so this is my off canvas, see it here. So top 0, left 0, and this one. Then what is the state of this canvas? Match with the direction display flag. So it's a jet index, and also translate. Okay, translate -100%. That means it is hiding. Okay, so then now we can see, we can click, when we click on that one. So this is my button, right? So then I have to give data hyphen bs hyphen toggle equal to, so then it's a off canvas, right? You have to give this class. When we click on that one, so first one, so we have to open. So then after that, so it is automatically closed if you can click outside of that off canvas. Okay, so then href equal to Okay, so we have to give the id of canvas example. So we will see now. Is it open or not? It is open, right? It is open. So but it is applying the blur, right? So then do we have anything for this one? Can remove this tab index. It is coming blur. We can apply area of controls also. Area of controls. Area of controls. So then of canvas example. Why still it is applying? F1 model backdrop shadow. Where it is? Where is? Style equal to visibility. Visibility hidden. Still it is applying backdrop. Why? This is the link. Same on the way it is applying tab index -1. So then here role equal to button. Is it required? Is not required. Role equal to button. Why it is why it is applying? So do we have any script for this one? No script. No. Can I add this one? So what is the difference between? Why some backdrop shadow is adding? Div class equal to clear fix, then at the rate of NBSP. Can add this CDN also. This is also related to this one. Where it is added. Can remove using CSS dot display none. Okay, clear. So then inside of this one, now we can remove it this. That is this one. So this one we are added, right, of canvas. Okay, so this is our text, right? So this is our text. So inside of this one, so you can write anything. So if you want to place the navigations, you can place it. If you want to place inside of this off canvas, so you can place anything. Okay, you can place menus, you can place div class equal to a row. So then div call icon class equal to col sample text. Okay, so same thing, we can add any content, like this. Okay, so pagination is applied, and so by default we are having the two type of things, pagination header and pagination body. So all these contents we can write inside of pagination, sorry, of canvas body. So div class equal to of canvas hyphen body. So then after that, so we can close this one before of this one, right? So inside of before body, we are having the div class equal to header canvas hyphen header. So then close div inside this one. So we can add title of canvas title. Okay. So we are having the of canvas titles, right? So where is that one? So H5. Okay. So then example for of and canvas. Okay. So for this one also we can give the class equal to of canvas hyphen title. Okay, clear, right? So this is the way we can apply it. Clear. So that is the one. Okay. So for suppose, so if you want to close this one, so I want to place this button here. Okay, for closing button. Okay, it is not closing. So I want to close this one. So how I can close it? So I can place it inside of this one, So then, so button, okay. So what is this one? Area label. area icon, label, close, close. So the next one we have a we have a class equal to btn hyphen close. Okay, text hyphen reset. So this is a text color. So then, so we have to close this one, right? So when we click on this close button, we have to close that off canvas. So data hyphen, so bs hyphen dismiss dismiss equal to. So which one we want to close it? Off canvas. Where is this label? This is complete one. We have to close it. Okay. So now here is the label. When we click on this one, so it is closed. Okay. So same thing. So we can apply the same thing. We are applying another canvas. It is from text. Where is this one? It is off canvas n. So that means so it is coming from right side. So this one. So when we click on button, so we can write this one for button. There is this. Here is we can write the button close button. So the next one class equal to btn btn hyphen danger. Okay. So then canvas with button. Okay. So then what we have to give it? What we have to give? Same thing, area of control. So area of control, area of bs, same thing. Okay, so for accept this href, so for anchor tag we have to use the href. For button, so we have to use the bs hyphen target, bs hyphen target. So that is the difference. Okay, so that is the difference. Okay, what happened? What is the error here? We used same id. We used the same id. Of canvas example one we can do. Okay, so for this one of canvas example. Okay, so let's backdrop what happened. You can just see it. Data hyphen bs hyphen toggle button type equal to button. So then data hyphen of canvas. So then data hyphen bs. Okay, now it is open. So then we can see. Okay, example one, right? Here again placing the button. So here we are opening the button one example of canvas example one. Now we can see by two buttons. Okay, so this is from right side, so then this is from left side. Okay, so this way we can give the afghan. Clear? So these type of widgets are called the off canvas. Okay, so the next one is after off canvas. So we are having the clear pics, color links, ratios, text truncate, nav model. So then we can see the model. These are all the things are very small. So then now we can see the model, how we can create a model. So what is meant by model? Model. Okay, so when we click on any button, so if you want to show some content in the pop-up, so then that type of things are called the modal. So these things are happened in the either left side or right side, and these sidebars are stick to the browser left side and or right side. But these modal, so when we click on a button or link, so it will open in the browser middle. Okay, so these type of things are called the models. Okay, now can create we can create another one, or we can create it here only. So same thing, same button I am creating. Here is the model. Okay, model pop-ups, we are call it as model pop-ups. Okay, so then we can see how we can open these models. So then for this button danger as usual normal. So the next one, so data hyphen bs hyphen data hyphen bs hyphen, this is right. So then we can call the model. Okay, clear? So then data hyphen bs hyphen example model. Okay, so I think we can apply the area of control also. Okay, area of control also. Right, so this is button we created. Now we can see, yes, nothing is happening. So we have to call the model now, right? So we have to call the model. So then we can see. So first we can create, we can open the simple div. So then after that we can place, so whatever content we require, so then that content we can place inside of this. So I am pasting. So here we can create the model. So div, okay, it's a div. So then class equal to model. Okay, id equal to, here we are giving one example called example model, right? So the next one, tab hyphen index equal to -1. Okay, so the next one, area hyphen a label equal to then model, right? Labeled by example model. Okay, so the next one, so for this one, just we are giving the example model pop-up. Okay, so now we can see it how it looks. What are the other illegal innovation? So where it is? Okay, illegal innovation. So class model. So then ID, example, tab index, or area hyphen hidden equal to true. Then tab index is fine. So then area hyphen area hyphen labeled by. Till it is shown. So what is happening? Here. So then button, here button danger type button. So then data hyphen bs hyphen toggle model. So same thing. So then data hyphen bs hyphen target example model. Same thing. Area hyphen control. Okay. So that's nothing. Let's purchase callback implementation. What we are having the city is there. Here it is